Hi guys, here 3 square is 9 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2 minus 1. Here 9 plus 6 is 15 divided by 3 times 2 minus 1. Here 15 divided by 3 is 5 times 2 minus 1. Here 5 times 2 is 10 minus 1 is 9 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 9 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket higher priority than other operation. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is the exponent. We have exponent here is 3 power 2. 3 power 2 is 9 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2 minus 1. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication, which is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 6 divided by this 3. So we have to do this 6 divided by 3 before any other operation. So 9 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times this 2 minus 1. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 9 plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13 minus 1. Here 13 minus 1 is 12 is the correct answer.